Today, introduction for the lockout and tagout control of hazardous energy. And this more topic for the safety for the equipment. We will learn what is the purpose अभी हम लोग का lockout tagout या LOTO क्या यूज करने के लिए इसके लिए क्या बेनिफिट्स है हम लोग पहले ये सब्जेक्ट को आगे जाने के लिए देखता हूँ और जैसे की ऑफ LOTO इसमें क्या क्या एजेंट्स होते हैं प्रोसीजर्स ऑफ LOTO regards the 5612 this peak electricity power for equipments work on power circuits productive during the repair of maintenance backup equipment raised position. This employs actually learning for the start switch turn on the machines himself. Lockout prevents results of hazardous energy look placed on the appropriate energy isolating for device that is in the off closing position or tag out. Identify the problems, identify the lockout date, identify the person, use it by itself only when you cannot be lockout. This is the tag out tag. What is the specific requirement for how much time required during the lockout? Lockout is a tag out used for the replace, service, and lubricate, clean, unjammed adjustment, maintenance, guard remote. This is actually any equipment for the servicing and repair the components. Thereof, time during a time we need to follow for the power isolation requirement. While this equipment can stop the position, this when you any unknown person you can be switch on. This is more dangerous for equipment, also for peoples. There is more injuries to risk. What is the cause of injuries? Failure of the stop the equipment, failure to disconnect from the power source, failure the blade of energy, accidental risking of the equipment, failure of the clear work arranged before the restarting. Some of type of energies electrical, mechanical, chemical, thermal, hydraulic, kinematics. There are this supplying for the type of equipment for using for industries. Mechanical energy, kinetic mechanicals in the motor, gears and belts, potential solid energy, weights, grip springs, position under the pressure, piston under pressure, hydraulic controllers. This potential energy gateway like the this equipments LOTO producer for protector repair of the shutdown for equipment isolation for all energy source apply for the locks and tags verify the isolation control the solid energy preparation for the startup prepare plan your work to location for in, in investigation under started for equipment hazards. Shutdown. Normally, shutdown procedures the turn off or switch off, shoot all control valves. Isolated the source, disable all energy source, shut valves, for open breakers disconnected. Apply the lock wall breakers, electricity disconnected, back are disconnected for all lines. Tag out devices, plug, lock, ball valve, gate valve, SP electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic. Use for locks. Use for only for locks. Use it to the lock all energy isolation gears. Never use another workers for the lock or tag. This tell the supervisor who need more of LO2 equipments. Fifth is verification. Period to service. How many days required for the equipment planning? Maintenance hazards. Employees must verify that equipment were isolated by the turning it on. Sixth, control for the started energy. Black of real springs or other televisions. Back elevating for pods. Stop the rotating for flywheels. Reverse systems pressures, drain fluids, vent greases. Properly prepare the startup. Pull out the guard. Pull all the guards back. Remove the tools. Inform to other startup. Resolve the systems for connections. Remove the locks and tags. Resource of equipment to normalization. The control for normal startups. Who can remove the locks for tags? Only employee who are placed in the lock and a tag out as supervisor after out training of permission to ability workers will replace the tag. This doubts equipment already has lock and tag on it. Do have to place the own lock for tags? Yes, energy workers as equipment must place their own locks and tags. Seeing these pictures, this companies as the code for the locks also colors codes. All controllers or employees must follow the planned LOTO procedure. Why workers don't lock out permission with witnessed? Someone doing the work without lockout, disconnecting for device to far away are not connected. Workers alone the felt no need to lockout is no not warning to stop production. Dump the wet locking very dangerous. We seeing this picture how dangerous this black. Sometimes instruction for the hands lifting areas. What is this pin for proper emission black ref and quality? How to this breaks breaking? We see for the work of that wire from the where you write for the logbook. See this picture for the advocate for locking for the blacks, which not properly blocking. There is unnecessary to fell down for the equipment. Proper planning to rest of equipments is good. Another quick flags. This unnecessary. This not stump out. Killing for manpower. This unknown is the facts that work. Thank you for the first we cash it turn off the no lock is signed yellow at man inside. Lotto proper you. This is a proper lockout and tagout procedure. Please Be careful when you're working on equipment. Thank you. This picture. Any industrial purpose person, this must be using for LOTO processor for industrial. Um, Good knowledge for the power resource in this sample. When we job completed, that after you can the remove for your lock. After you can follow up the power isolation. After the startup equipment, very good honor and man processor. Mm, Anyone we didn't follow for the processor, we can harmful for hazards for the any uh, power and equipment startup. This is very difficult for the humans and the loss of the industries industry sectors. We can follow for the LOTO processor for you. Thank you for this watching for video. Thank you.